We are in Khayelitsha and at the Isivivana Centre, and we are basically running a sketchbook workshop to expose kids to the animation industry.
The first thing is awareness of arts-related industries. So even at primary school level, generally throughout South Africa, there's quite poor education around what careers can come out of people who have artistic inclinations, who want to fulfill their artistic side. So we really want to start at school level to tell people there are possibilities, that the creative arts can be a very healthy career.
We just teach them the basics of drawing, and the aim is not really to teach them as much as we inspire them, because this is just the first lesson and we want to get them into the mood of drawing. And as soon as they realize they can draw more, they become better. That's what we try to get across from this program.
The message we wanna bring down is we wanna drive through and have them understand is that they have to draw from their own upbringing, draw from their own cultures, and draw from their own sort of background, because this way their stories become unique, and the stories you can tell within the artwork. I always say being unique is like paradoxical. You don't have to try to be unique. You're already unique. Just start drawing.
I think there's a lot of young people who are kind of coming into their own with both technology and the idea of representing their own culture and their own stories in their own way. And they also, have a dialogue with the rest of the international animation world. So it seems like there's so much talent and so much desire here that I can only imagine it's going to be something really fresh and new that's going to make a big mark.
I think it's really great, and I wish I had something like this when I was in high school.
By doing this, we can create the great artists, which South Africa is proud of.
I think by empowering kids like this to tell their own stories and to embrace the things about their culture that make it unique and not to let that go, I think the same kind of energy can blossom in the film industry here. It's new, it feels new and it feels different, and I think the world will be very excited by it.